How to use Canva AI Image Generator. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Open your preferred browser first and in the search bar search for canva.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Canva. Now tap on the Create a Design option on the top right of your screen. Select any dimensions of your choice. I will select the square post of Instagram, that is of 1080 into 1080 px. In the interface that you are led to, tap on the Apps option in the toolbar. You will see the option for text to image. Tap on that. If you do not see the option for text to image, you can search for it in the search bar up there too. You will see the option for open. Tap on that and now you will see a text box. You can search for any image of your choice by typing the text of that particular image. For instance, let's tap on Try an Example. Now in the text box, I have detailed king protease on a black backdrop. So tap on the Create Your Image button. It will take a little time to load and you can see the image has been appeared. You can tap on the image and drag it on the page to make further edits. Similarly, tap on Create again and now type anything of your choice. I will type waterfall in nature and you can see the image is appeared. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.